Join me today as we talk about utilizing different types of storages for our spices. Storing spices can be a difficult task if you don't have a spice rack or an area designated just for those little jars. If that's the case, I suggest using a drawer for your spices or getting a Lazy Susan and placing it in your pantry. Having a Lazy Susan in your pantry allows for easy and quick access. All you have to do is spin it around and you can see all the spices that you currently have. Also, having a Lazy Susan for your spices means that it's mobile. You can take it from your pantry and set it next to your food prep station. This makes for easy cooking. Say you don't have a pantry or you don't want to get a Lazy Susan. That's fine. Let's put our spices in a drawer. If your spices are too tall for the drawer, I suggest getting uniform jars. You can get these at just about any Walmart, Target, dollar store. I'm a big dollar store shopper. But however, whenever you put your spices in these jars, make sure that you label it. And then I flip mine over and I put the expiration date on the bottom. When buying these jars, make sure to measure how tall your drawer is first. You don't want to go and spend $15 on jars for your drawer and spices and they be a little bit too tall. So make sure that you measure first, and if you have any spices that are smaller, I recommend leaving them in the container that they came in and just making a section for them on the side of your other jars for those to live. Thank you for watching today, and make sure to check back tomorrow for another new video. Welcome to DIY Your Life. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell next to it so you never miss an organizational or cleaning video. Share this video on your social media with all your friends and family, and please click the thumbs up button below. Thanks!